Have you ever felt overwhelmed by conflicting information about what's healthy and what's not? One day, it's eat more protein, and the next, carbs are back in. So, what's the truth? How can you build a simple daily diet that fuels your body and boosts your health? Let's cut through the noise. Hi, I'm Forhad, and I've been helping people design healthier lives for years, focusing on practical and easy-to-follow nutrition tips. Today, I'm going to share how you can build a sustainable daily eating routine that solves a common challenge so many of us face: finding balance and consistency in our diets. In this video, I'll break down simple daily eating habits that will help you maintain a healthy lifestyle without stressing over every meal. You'll learn what types of foods to prioritize, how to build balanced meals, and tips to stay consistent. Let's get started. Many of us want to eat healthily, but we don't know where to start. Should we focus on cutting carbs, adding more superfoods? The real problem is that too much information leads to confusion, and that confusion often results in poor eating habits. We end up grabbing whatever is easiest: processed foods, sugary snacks, and unhealthy takeout. When you're not eating the right foods daily, it can lead to a lack of energy, poor concentration, weight gain, and even long-term health problems like heart disease or diabetes. But the good news is, by solving this problem, you can feel more energized, maintain a healthy weight, and avoid these chronic issues. So, what's the solution? It's simpler than you think: building a balanced, whole food-based daily meal plan. I'll break this down into three main categories: proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates, along with a few key nutrients your body needs every day. Proteins. 30 seconds. Start your day with a lean protein. This could be eggs, Greek yogurt, tofu, or even a protein shake. Proteins help keep you full and support muscle repair. Healthy fats. 30 seconds. Incorporate healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil into your meals. These fats are essential for brain health and keeping your skin and heart healthy. Complex carbohydrates. 30 seconds. Carbs aren't your enemy. Just focus on complex carbohydrates like quinoa, sweet potatoes, and whole grains. These will give you sustained energy throughout the day. Key nutrients. 1 minute. Don't forget your vegetables and fruits. These are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Aim to eat a variety of colorful vegetables every day to ensure you're getting all the nutrients you need. I've helped countless people design their daily meals around these principles, and the results speak for themselves. For example, one client saw improved energy and lost 10 pounds in just 2 months by simply swapping processed snacks for whole foods. Personally, I found that when I added more healthy fats like nuts and avocados to my diet, I felt fuller longer, which helped me avoid unhealthy snacks. These small changes can make a big difference. Infographics showing the proportion of proteins, fats, and carbs on a plate. Here's a quick demonstration of a balanced breakfast you can easily prepare. It's packed with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs to kickstart your day. One common mistake people make is thinking that healthy eating has to be expensive or time-consuming, but that's not true. Simple swaps like preparing meals at home or choosing seasonal fruits and vegetables can make healthy eating affordable and accessible. Here's a tip: meal prep in batches. Spend a couple of hours on Sunday preparing meals for the week. It'll save you time and help you stay on track when life gets busy. What are your biggest struggles when it comes to eating healthily every day? Let me know in the comments, and I'll try to address as many as I can in future videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who might benefit. Check out my website for meal plans and other resources that can help you on your healthy eating journey. To recap, focus on incorporating lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs into your daily meals. Add plenty of fruits and vegetables for essential nutrients, and remember that small, consistent changes will lead to big results. Thanks so much for watching. I've got more content coming soon on healthy living, so stay tuned. And remember, eating well is about progress, not perfection. Links to related videos on healthy living and a subscribe button. For more meal ideas and healthy eating tips, check out the links in the description below. You'll find recipes, shopping lists, and more.